A number of mangoes are distributed among A, B, and C in the ratio 5 is to 6 is to 9, respectively. If A gets 45 mangoes, then the total number of mangoes is. Now, the ratio of mangoes distributed among A, B, and C is 5 is to 6 is to 9. So we can assume A has 5x mangoes, B has 6x mangoes, C has 9x mangoes. That means we can say that the total number of mangoes is 20x. Now, it is given to us that A gets 45 mangoes. That means 5x is equal to 45. So therefore, x is equal to 9. Now we are asked the total number of mangoes. Total mangoes are 20x. So therefore, it becomes 20 into 9. So therefore, answer comes out to be 180. So answer will be option C.